Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to deactivate Google Gemini account. Deactivating it a very simple task. If you feel bored or you are getting too much notification or you don't want to use Google Gemini, then using my method, you can deactivate your Gemini easily. The first thing is, in the Google search bar, search for Gemini. Once you will click on the first link to get access of it. Now before deactivating it, make sure you sign in with that account on which you want to deactivate the Gemini. You can see I log in with this account and I want to deactivate Gemini on this. Now, on the right side, you will not find any options. And on the left side, you can see your chat history. If I click on the 3 lines, here we will not find anything. It will only expand new chat of Gemini. So in order to deactivate, click on the settings bar. Once you'll click on the option setting, this option of help send feedback, use subscription, theme your publicly link, click on the option activity, and on the top you can see your Gemini app activity. This option is for deleting activity older than 18 months, and here you can see the option of turn off. If I click on it, now it's asking just turn off, and the second step is turn off and delete activity. It's up to you, you just want to turn it off or you want to turn it off and want to. Deleting all the activities on your Gemini. Just like I want to turn it off, so I will click on this option. And now it's saying, Google Gemini app activity is off, now click on the option. Got it. Now your activity has not been deleted. If you will click on the option delete activity, then your activity will be deleted. But I will tap on this option because I don't want to delete my activity. Now if I move back and let me refresh the page, now you can see Gemini activity is off. Something that requires Gemini activity are also turned off, so I need to turn it on if I want to use that Gemini. One more thing is, if you want to turn it off, then simply click on your profile icon and tap on the option Sign Out. After signing out your account, you will also turn off the Gemini. And these were the ways by which you can deactivate Gemini. And that's it.